Which solution is better for you? In this video, we'll share our own experience of using both of these tools. So at the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is better for you. So watch till the end.
If you're trying to choose between Confluence and Notion, here's my experience after using both for about 6 months. Both are excellent tools for building a team wiki, but they have different strengths. Notion is incredibly flexible. I really like how you can combine documents, databases, project tracking, and knowledge management in one workspace. The interface is clean, easy to learn, and perfect for teams that want a modern, organized place for documentation and collaboration. The downside is that as your workspace grows, keeping everything organized can require extra planning. It also has fewer enterprise-level controls than some dedicated wiki platforms. Confluence is built specifically for team documentation, especially in larger organizations. I like how well it handles structured knowledge bases, permissions, version history, and collaboration. If your team already uses Jira, the integration is a huge advantage and makes managing software projects much easier. The drawback is that the interface feels more traditional, and creating attractive pages isn't as intuitive as it is in Notion. One thing I'd pay attention to is your team's workflow. If you want an all-in-one workspace for notes, projects, and documentation, Notion is the better choice. But if you're part of a larger company that needs a dedicated wiki with strong permissions and deep Jira integration, Confluence is hard to beat. For me, Notion wins for flexibility and ease of use, while Confluence wins for structured documentation and enterprise collaboration. The best choice depends on whether you need a modern workspace or a dedicated knowledge management platform.